Hello beautiful people, how you guys are doing? I really hope you guys are doing good. So please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon too. So in today's video we're talking about this Insight Makeup Essential foundation. This is like extreme matte oil control liquid makeup. Let's see how it works. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It just has just no dispenser, no pump, etc. You just have to open that cover up, and there is a lid inside to protect it. So let's start. First, let's pull all of our hair backward, just tie it up. And I have nothing on my face. I just wanted to try this. I just applied a moisturizer. So yes, I'm using this Wet n Wild buffing brush because that's the brush I'm using quite often now. This does not has no smell actually. I've already used it before, and this looks horrible to look at. This is a very very thick consistency, and I'm just picking up in the tip of my brush, and I will dot it over my face. This is how its texture look like. It's like, I don't know what to call it. It's like very dense, like very dense, like much more thicker than even concealers actually. So yeah, I'm just starting this all over my face, and I'll just buff it with the same blending brush. Honestly, I've used this before, and I just wanted to like save you guys some money actually here. So I'm just dotting it all over my face, and I'm just gonna blend it over. This retails for 225 rupees over Nykaa and all other online shopping sites, and I'm just trying to blend this in right now. It has such a thick consistency, it does not blend at all. This is like much more worse than the Lakme Tint Soffil or even that Blue Heaven Florina foundation. Like, it's the worst actually. This has this pinkish texture tone to it, and which actually matches my skin tone, but then it just does not blend. If you can understand what I'm talking about, when you apply foundation, if it is damn thick, it's like it just does not blend actually. So I somehow blended it, but then probably you're not able to see it. I'm gonna come close right now so I would be able to show you what I'm actually trying to say. I'm just covering my face altogether because that was just not blending, just not. I tried every possible thing, but it just didn't blend. I just didn't know what to do actually. So yeah, so if I'll come close right now and I'll show it. Can you see, like, can you see that texture? Like, it just does not blend. I don't know what. Okay, can you see my hand? Exactly, this is what is happening in my face. Like, it just, I just don't know what to say. Like, this is this is the worst foundation I have used ever on my face, ever. Like, now I think that Lakme Tint Soffil is actually a little better, but then no, this is more horrible. And I'm just trying to layer it up, so if in case that will rectify or do something, but then that made it so worse. I just had to stop in between. So if you are wanting to have this Insight foundation, please do not buy it, because you're gonna definitely regret it. So yes, can you see the mark on top of my head? It just does not blend actually. I'm trying to double it up, but then it made it look more worse. It just does not work. So this was like fun kind of a review I wanted to do because I tried it before, it didn't work, and I want to show you. So thank